Installing the nightlight. If you already have an AutoVent installed, remove the fan cover. Otherwise, follow the AutoVent installation instructions, but don't replace the fan cover. First, take the nightlight and push the wire through a slot in your cover that is close to where the AutoVent is mounted in the housing. Plug the nightlight wire into the AutoVent. Replace the fan cover. Attach the nightlight to the cover using double-sided tape on the back of the nightlight. Turn on the switch. The installation of your nightlight is now complete. Thank you for choosing AutoVent.